Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the accounting period function in the Accounting Master module of Parsimony. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up and manage accounting periods in Parsimony. Let's start by navigating to the Accounting Master module in the Parsimony dashboard. Click on the Accounting Master module to access the necessary functions. The Accounting Master dashboard provides a centralized location to manage all accounting-related settings and configurations. To set up your accounting periods, click on the Accounting Period option. This is where you define the start and end dates for your accounting periods. In the Accounting Period list, you'll find the existing accounting periods that have been set up in Parsimony. Let's go through the process of adding a new accounting period. To create a new accounting period, click on the New button. This will open a new accounting period entry form. In the accounting period entry form, you'll need to fill in several fields to define the characteristics of the period. Start by entering a descriptive name for the accounting period in the period name field. This could be the month and year, such as January 2023. Next, select the company for which the accounting period will be used. This associates the period with a specific company in your Parsimony instance. Specify the start and end dates for the accounting period by selecting the appropriate dates in the From Date and To Date fields. There are documents already added in this section. These are the documents that we usually would like to close the books for this period. If you choose to add a new one, just click the Add Row option and select the document type you want to add. Beside the document types, tick marks the ones you want to close and untick if you wish not to close them in the meantime. You can also click Delete if you wish to permanently remove it from this section. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click on the Save button to save the accounting period. You will now see the newly added accounting period in the list. You can continue adding accounting periods in a similar manner to align with your organization's financial reporting requirements. If you need to make changes to an existing accounting period, you can click on it and edit. Likewise, if you wish to remove an accounting period, you can use the Delete button. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your accounting periods in the Accounting Master module of Parsimony. Now you can accurately track and report financial data within designated time frames. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to explore the Parsimony documentation or reach out to our support team.